Today we are going to use prompting to help us refresh our brand. All right, so we are going to start by dropping in a prompt. And I'm going to go to our SKOOL community where I already have the prompts listed here. And I'm going to start here and I'm going to go ahead and capture this entire prompt. And I'm going to paste it in. So towards the bottom of the prompt, we do have an optional add-on. So I'm going to go ahead and just delete those words because I definitely want to use this. The option is I want to run this prompt and incorporate what you currently know about. And I'm going to change this to Handmade U. So we're going to use Handmade U as the test subject, if you will. Okay. All right, I think I'm ready to go. So I dropped the prompt in. It's very, very long, so I'm not going to read it to you to respect your time. And I'm going to let the prompt do its thing. Now, because the prompt is so long, you could very easily put this prompt into like Word and then go ahead and type in everything that you need to update or edit in the brackets. So then you just drop the whole thing in and you can be done. Or add that optional add-on and then it'll walk you through and ask you questions to go along. So here we go. I've done this a couple times just for practice to make sure that the prompt works out. Each time that I've done it, the questions and the process actually have been tweaked and slightly different. I've tried to make sure that I delete the previous chats so that it's not drawing from that information. However, it's amazing that it gives me different perspectives each time I do it. So, first question, and this is a different question that has ever asked me before. Here we go. I'm going to use the dictate function to answer these questions just for time's sake. The official name of my business is Handmade U. I do not currently have a tagline, but if I did have one, I would want it to incorporate Creative Campus somehow. All right, so question number 2, how would you describe Handmade U offers right now and what you want to be known for next? Feel free to browse through past conversations and your memory to understand the current Handmade U offers, which are primarily classes and opportunities for craft professors to teach at our studio. What we would like to be known for is a creative authority. We want to be known as the place where crafters come to learn new crafts, right? We want to be known as the place where more advanced crafters come to learn how to teach their crafts and then have opportunities and the space to do so. We also want to be known as an authority when it comes to AI and how we merge this technology with the crafting realm. And so we want to be innovators in this space. I don't know, I may have said too much there, but it can handle it. I would like you to use our 3 core personas. Mentor Maya is the teacher. Side hustler Sam is the crafter who has the craft business. And hobbyist Heather is the person that is just wanting to learn how to craft. I think they all have a place on our creative campus. All right, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and just continue to go through these questions and come back when I get a result. I don't know. Do you want to watch this? I feel like it's kind of slow, but I'm gonna keep going. I'll keep recording, but I'll fast forward a little bit so that you get to see some of the results. So, a couple things that I would like to mention about utilizing ChatGPT for this process. Number one, I am a firm believer that ChatGPT should not dictate anything for your business. You should be in the driver's seat. And so anything that ChatGPT provides to you, you need to review it and make sure that it actually aligns with what you want it to do, what you want it to align with. And if it does not, then you need to change that. ChatGPT is not running your business, you are. Okay? All right. 20 minutes later. So 20 minutes have passed, and this is our blueprint. This is our blueprint, y'all. So we got our tone, our focus, our style, the constraints that I put on it. This is what it's going to include. Here we go. All right, so ChatGPT has a tendency to keep offering more stuff, and it's like, when does it end? So I am ready for my Handmade U Brand Refresh 2025 guide. I don't need to include any additional sections. Just go ahead and show me the guide. We got to put a stop to this because it'll keep going and going and going. Like, no, just give me the output, please. All right, so let's take a look at what we got. We got our brand story. We have some tagline concepts to choose from, tone and messaging guidelines, visual direction, and then a strategy to roll out these changes. So the first thing or the next thing that I would do is I would go ahead and let ChatGPT know which of these taglines that I like. And then from there, I would go through this whole document and do some iterations, update things that don't resonate with me, expand upon things that you feel like needs a little bit more, etc. So really make this your own. All right, so my name is Sherry Skipworth, and I am the founder, owner, CEO of Handmade U, based in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. One of the things that we're super excited about is helping you incorporate AI into growing your handmade business. So, if you are interested in the prompt that we use today and learning more, please, please, please check out our SKOOL community. It is a free community that does offer some resources for you to grow your business as well as incorporate AI. We do have a couple courses within our community that are paid courses, but those are completely optional for you to purchase. All right, so thank you all for watching our video today. We are excited that you're here. We hope that we shared something today that inspired you to try utilizing AI. Please like, share, comment, click the notification bell, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. So for now, stay crafty.